Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to make an Indo-Chinese dish called chicken Manchurian. Well, it's Chinese, but you know, we Indians, we like to make it our own. You know, may it be pizzas, may it be burgers, or may it be anything Chinese. You know, we have to have our Indian touch to it, because otherwise it doesn't go down. So let's start cooking. So this recipe we're going to make in two parts. First one is the chicken mince. We're going to add some stuff to it, and then we're going to fry them in a deep fryer. And then second part will be cooking the vegetables and adding the fried chicken balls to it and garnishing and all that. So let's go. So to begin with, I have taken around 300 grams of chicken mince, and to that I'm going to add some garlic and ginger paste, some salt to taste, 1 egg, some cornstarch or corn flour, all-purpose flour or maida, and let's mix it together. Next we're going to take a pan, heat up some oil in it, and we're going to deep fry the marinated mince. Now this dish normally is made with chicken breast, pieces of chicken breast. But then you have to marinate the chicken breast. You need to keep it, aside for a couple of hours or so. So that's the reason I use the mince, and we add everything into the mince. Then we don't need to marinate it or keep it aside for long. So that's why, and you can taste everything inside the mince. So that is the only reason. But if you can't get your hand on chicken mince, you can definitely use them. So these are turning golden brown now. So let's take them out in a colander. So that was the first part. Now let's begin with the second one. For that I have a pan here. Let's switch on the stove and add some oil to it. The oil is hot, so let's add the chopped onion first. Also the white part of the spring onion. The onion is translucent now, so let's add some carrot that is cut into julienne strips. And after that we add the mixed bell pepper. The next thing that goes in is the garlic ginger paste. Also let's add some salt. The green part of the spring onion goes in after that. This we will add some Thai chili sauce, some hot sauce, soy sauce, and mix it well. Add some mushrooms. That's optional if you wish to. If you don't wish to, it's up to you. To thicken the mixture, I have made some cornstarch or corn flour mixed with water. We're going to add that also. Look how beautiful it looks, the color, the peppers. And that's it, our chicken Manchurian is ready. Let's dish it out. There we go, and let's garnish with some spring onion. So that's it. That was our chicken Manchurian. Please do try and comment in the comment section. Once again, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until we see you next time, ma salama.